Hello, my name is Zhafina Audry Setyawan, absent number 36. I am from class 9D. I will present about the story of the rabbit and the turtle. One day, a rabbit was forcing about how fast he could run. He was laughing at the turtle for being so slow. The turtle challenged him to the race. The rabbit thought his lost a goal could. Jack and accepted the challenge. The fox went to win the prize of the race. As the race began, the rabbit raced by ahead of the turtle, just like everyone thought. The rabbit got to the halfway point and called, "No!" See the turtle, and where he was now on the track, and this time the turtle kept walking step by step, and never the quit to number. Not all the track and the good. Oh, wherever the all tried and he could. Oh, wherever that the rabbit slept longer, that he did talk and woke up. He called no see the turtle anywhere. He went at full and speed the finish line. Found the turtle tree waiting for him. Thank you.